This video introduces U-Heart Robot Plate Handling and Palletizing Station. We use 6-axis robot whose payload is 65 kilograms and arm length is 2000 millimeters, end of arm tool is sucker clamp. The size of sucker can be designed according to the actual needs. This workstation is mainly used in handling, palletizing and depalletizing of plate products, such as glasses, panels, wood and metals, etc. Because of plane motion, robotic station is applied to CNC equipment, such as decoiler machine, laser cutting machine, CNC punch, flexible bending machine, mechanical bending machine and so on. As long as it is plane handling, this robotic workstation can be used widely. U-Heart Robot will be launched in the way of standard robotic workstations, which will help customer choose easily.